A vibrant new neighborhood is taking shape in Pioneer Park, Hanau, designed to accommodate up to 5,000 people. There are still some plots available for development. On one of them, a technician is collecting water samples. When the U.S. Army left in 2008, around 11,000 square meters of the former barracks site were contaminated with volatile chlorinated hydrocarbons. That's why a major remediation project was launched. Peter Martus, from the engineering firm AECOM, is overseeing the process.
We started investigating the site back in 2017, then moved on to planning the remediation and eventually carried out the cleanup itself. And now we're in the phase of technical monitoring, following the actual remediation. For Pioneer Park, we used a combined approach that supports the natural biological breakdown of contaminants and also enables chemical degradation.
What makes this project special is the use of an in situ method. A similar project in the nearby Wolfgang Industrial Park shows what that means. Instead of excavating the soil, it's treated directly on site. Remediation engineer Gordon Burris explains the process.
Sensatec applied our targeted soil emplacement technology, which involves injecting solid agents directly into the ground in a wide and even distribution. This allows for long-term breakdown and sustainable remediation. The targeted solid emplacement technology allows us to inject agents like EHC directly into the subsurface using drilling rods. One of the biggest challenges at Pioneer Park was the sheer amount of material we had to inject, about 3 tons per borehole. On top of that, the geology was highly variable, which made it tricky to target different layers effectively.
Evonik expert Mike Mueller explains how the remediation agent used in Pioneer Park works.
The EHC reagent works in a number of fairly easy to understand ways. It's primarily comprised of waste materials, steel production waste, and a plant-based organic carbon, created into a slurry, typically 25% solids, 75% water slurry. It's injected into the subsurface, and it stimulates a number of physical, chemical, and microbiological processes that naturally then convert toxic contaminants into non-toxic end product, ethane in this instance here. We call this process in situ chemical reduction, and that's where EHC has really established itself as one of the market leaders in Germany for such an approach.
Peter Martus summarizes the current status of the Pioneer Park project.
We're now in the monitoring phase following the remediation, and we are already seeing a rapid decline in the contaminant levels across large areas. We're confident that we'll reach our remediation targets in the near future.
Evonik, leading beyond chemistry.